Fits through 2009 to 2023 Ford F150, F150 Raptor. Flexible material. Premium rubber outer construction for weather resistance durability. Low profile 7 inches stylish look. Improve the look of your F150 by replacing your 31 inches long metal shaft antenna. The carbon fiber column on the bottom helps the base holding onto the mount and also offers stylish looking. Easy installation. It can screw onto your existing antenna mount in seconds. Reception. Designed for either AM or FM bands. It performs better in reception than other low-profile antennas. Top reviews from the United States. Easy install. Clear stations. Easy install. Sturdy. The car wash spinning brushes kept breaking my 2-foot antenna. I installed a 9-wire antenna. Stations were static music. I installed this antenna, and the stations are as clear as the 2-foot antenna. It works.